All right, so I'm gonna get started on the tortillas. I have my oven preheated already, or it started to preheat at 375. And I'm just going to do 2 tortillas right now. Normally I probably do at least 4, but just for showing you purposes, I am going to just do 2. So what I do, so you've got your 2 tortillas, or however many you're gonna do. I do have a little spray bottle here, and that, what I do, I just take it and give my tortillas a spray just to get them wet so the sugar and cinnamon sticks. That's about right, good. See, it's just a little bit shiny there. I see you just want to make sure the cinnamon sugar is going to stick. Okay, and then I will just sprinkle some sugar. I am using cane sugar. You can use white sugar, brown sugar, coconut sugar, whatever kind of sugar you like. Now that wasn't too much. I put about half of a third of a cup and I still have a lot left. And then you're gonna do a generous sprinkle of your cinnamon. So the whole tortilla is covered. I didn't put the other one on the pan because they both don't fit. So what I'm gonna do is just cut this, or I'll cut the one on the pan first and then kind of reorganize it. So you want to cut it in 8. Whether you have a knife or a pizza cutter, either will work. Okay, so you have your wedges there, and now you can just kind of rearrange them so you make a little more room on your pan for the other one, or ones, however many you're planning to make. And this one, just give it a little cut there too. And then you can just set those on your baking sheet. However they fit, that's all that's important. That they just all have some room so they get nice and crispy. You can even set them on the edge, which is something I will probably do. That one a little smaller just to make it fit there. And you can cut them small like that too. That's kind of a nice size if that's what you prefer. So I just stick it on the edge, that'll be fine. And there you could have it. There's our cinnamon and sugar tortillas that will be going in the oven as soon as my oven's ready to go. And then we'll serve them with the salsa. All right, so those have been in for 12 minutes and they look perfect. So now I'll just plate them up with some salsa and show you the final pick.